In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a motion blur background effect to images using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, unlock the background layer by clicking the lock icon. Then right-click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, select the Quick Selection tool. Use the bracket keys to adjust brush size. Make a rough selection of the train as shown. If you accidentally select an unwanted area, hold Alt and click on that area to deselect it. Once the selection is done, press Ctrl and J to copy the selection to a new layer. Rename the bottom layer as Train. And rename the top layer as Train Copy. Now, right-click on the thumbnail of the Train Copy layer and choose Select Pixels. Press Ctrl, Shift and I to invert the selection. Then select the original train layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Motion Blur. Set the angle to 0 degrees and set the distance to 270 pixels. Then click OK. Hide the train copy layer. Select the brush tool. Open the brush menu and choose the soft round brush. Set the brush opacity to 50%. Select the train layer's Smart Filters mask and set the foreground color to white. Now gently brush over the back of the train to apply motion blur and make the movement look more realistic. In Photoshop, you can press Ctrl and Z to undo your last action, or press Ctrl, Shift and Z to redo it if needed. Next, unhide and select the train copy layer. Then hold Alt and click the Layer Mask button to add an inverted layer mask to the train copy layer. Again, select the soft round brush. Make sure the foreground color is set to white. Set brush opacity to 50%. And make sure this inverted layer mask is selected. Then brush over the back of the train to remove unwanted motion blur from the train itself without affecting the background. If some parts of the train still look unnatural, like this part right here, select the Smart Filters mask of the original train layer. Pick the soft round brush. Set the foreground color to black and lightly brush over those areas to reduce the blur. That's it! You've successfully added a realistic motion blur background effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.